welcome. Today I will show you voice typing method. Start. Now first go to translate.google.com. Enter. Okay. Now select English. Press microphone icon. Click on microphone icon. Okay. A flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is the reproductive structure found in flowering plant of the division Magnoliophyta, also called angiosperms. The biological function of a flower is to effect reproduction, usually by providing a mechanism for the union of sperm with eggs. Flower may facilitate outcrossing or allow selfing. Some flowers produce dispores without fertilization. Flowers contain sporangia and are the site where gametophytes develop. Many flowers have evolved to be attractive to animals so as to cause them to be vector for the transfer of pollen. After fertilization, the ovary of the flower develop into fruit containing seed. Okay friend, thanks for watching. Bye bye.